Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Jody with Our Balanced Ventures. Got some exciting news for you guys. We upgraded our tow rig, and I just want to give you guys a quick tour of it and show you what we got. So I'm gonna roll the intro and we'll be right back. So here's the truck. It's a 2024 GMC 3500 dually. It's the ultimate fifth wheel hitch. Should be delivered today. We'll get that installed. We went with the B&W Companion 25K. Tonneau Pro tonneau cover from RealTruck. I'll put a link in the description to these products. We're not affiliated with them, but both companies do offer military discounts. So in the 2024s, they come with these 18-inch wheels, 235 80R18 Michelins. I love how the wheels are cut. I love those center caps. They look really clean, really neat. Show you the inside. It's a little dirty on the inside. This interior color is specific to the Denali Ultimates. 13.4-inch screen. It's got a leather dash. The door panels are leather on the inside here. Get this cover on the back seat for Sabbath. These are storage bins. There's one on each side. The seat flips up. There's storage underneath. The front seats are heated and ventilated. The rear outboard seats in the back are heated as well. AC vents back here. 8-foot bed. The multi-flex tailgate with the kicker speaker system. The center folds down and it's a step. I would do it, but every time I open it, the speaker system kicks on and starts taking over music and turns the video off. So I won't show it to you right now, but it's pretty nice.